Never give up. Once there was a boy named Lucas. He loved playing football more than anything. But every time he tried to join the school team, he was rejected. His friends laughed at him and said he was too weak to play well. Lucas felt sad, but he didn't stop. Every morning, he woke up early and practiced alone. He ran faster, kicked harder, and learned new skills from videos. Even when it rained, he kept going because he had a dream to wear the school jersey one day. After a few months, the school coach saw Lucas practicing. He was surprised by his effort and decided to give him one more chance. This time, Lucas played with all his heart. He didn't give up even when he fell down during the game. At the end of the match, Lucas scored the winning goal. Everyone cheered for him. His friends were shocked, and the coach smiled proudly. Lucas had finally proved himself. The story of Lucas teaches us that success doesn't come easily. If you fail once, don't stop trying. Keep practicing, stay strong, and never give up, because hard work always wins in the end.